Meanwhile, Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta has expressed gratitude to the African Union and its individual member states for standing in solidarity with Kenya as the country battled International Criminal Court ICC cases. President Kenyatta spoke as Sudanese President Omar Al Bashir revealed he is not afraid of traveling around the world, even though there is an outstanding arrest warrant for him.
In the wake of the ICC's decision to drop crimes against humanity charges against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang, President Uhuru Kenyatta has expressed Africa's need for a spirit of Pan-Africanism.
I want to take this opportunity to completely, totally, and utterly thank the people of Africa, the governments of Africa, the African Union, for their very, very strong position and very well articulated position in support of Kenya with regards to the ongoing cases at the ICC that have seen us succeed and be able to move forward.
Speaking in Berlin, Germany, President Uhuru Kenyatta has maintained his call for Kenya to withdraw from the International Criminal Court, saying the Hague-based court has failed to live up to the basic tenets it was created for.
That Kenya, under my leadership, will partner with each and every one of you to ensure that we achieve the African agenda. You can count on Kenya just as much as Kenya has been able to count on you.
Set up in 2002, the ICC has struggled to enforce its will in countries that are reluctant to cooperate with it. Powerful indictees like Sudanese President Omar Al Bashir remain at large. Since his arrest warrant by the ICC in 2003, Bashir, without fear of prosecution, has traveled 75 times to 22 countries. Bashir's visit as Kenya celebrated the promulgation of the Constitution in August 2010 sparked controversy after Kenya chose not to arrest him despite pleas from the ICC to do so. In an interview with the BBC, Bashir, who is accused of masterminding genocide in Darfur, said he is not worried about the accusations of the ICC.
This is a politicized tribunal. You were with us in Darfur, and you have seen for yourself how the huge crowds came to greet me. These are the same crowds I'm accused of having committed genocide and ethnic cleansing against them. This is why I've defied the tribunal, and I've been traveling freely around the world. I took advantage of my defiance of the ICC to mobilize the Sudanese people in the last election to support me.
Bashir's statement an indication that the ICC has become seemingly toothless to African leaders, some of whom accuse it of disproportionately targeting the continent. 9 out of 10 cases where there are indictees are African, though most of them were referred to the court by African governments themselves. Michelle Ngele, KTN News.